So good day everyone, my name is Isabella and I'm here to present to you my system, which is the sales and inventory system. So let's talk about the sales and inventory management system. So sales and inventory system. My acknowledgement. First, I would like to thank to God for giving strength to handle this kind of project and manage the conflict schedules that I encountered and all possible things happen. Second, I would like to express my gratitude to my instructor, Mr. Arman Campos, who guided me throughout this project. I would also like to thank my friends and family and co-workers who supported me and offered deep insight into the study. So, this is the short background of my sales and inventory system. So nowadays, the retail industries is one of the growing industries in the fast pace, where the number in the retail business increasing from time to time in order to meet the need of the consumers in the specified areas. So let's fast forward. I make this project because for me, this is solutions for the retailers that are still using the traditional way of keeping the data by creating inventory system. The sales and inventory system is a man- computer-based system that provides the shop structure for maintaining and controlling the goods to be stocked. An approach of sales and inventory management systems to avoid the overstock or outrages by integrating daily point of sales with store inventory level. So let's forward. Let's talk about now the environment of the sales and inventory system. Now let's talk about the entity relationship diagram. The entity relationship diagram have five entities, and there are also the attributes. First, the cashier. It is the cashier is to manipulate the sales and also the products. Controls the stocks and to lessen the stocks of products. The cashier have two attributes, the username and password. Then the brand, which there are three, brand name, brand ID, status. The status have two types, active and deactive. Sales or point of sales, there are product code, product name, price, quantity, and the total. After the total, the customer will receive a print receipt or a receipt or a virtual receipt in this system because I don't have a printer to print those receipts. Next, let's go to the flowchart. So, flowchart, let's start for the GUI. The first GUI you will encounter is the sales and inventory system that is displayed in the first GUI when you open the system. Then the sales and inventory system GUI have an instruction which is click anywhere. Category. Then under that is the category. You will direct it to the category, which is the stocks input. The category have three: category name, status, and also the category code. Oh, same with the brand. And next is the product. Product have more attributes. Under the products is the category in the brand. Then the cost price, retail price, quantity, and also the barcode. After the product, the cashier selling this product. Cashier registered her name, the password. Then after that, you can log in. He or she can log in. Then you can start selling the product. After selling, the The after selling, you can compute the subtotal, also the balance from the customer give, and you can pay invoice and receive also the virtual receipt. Next is the pseudocode algorithm. So the code algorithm, also I explained this in the flowchart. It is the same process. Then the Java code. Next, let's go to the system. So first, I tackle about the GUI. The first GUI you will encounter. This is the sales and inventory management system. You can click anywhere. Then you will directly to the category that I told you. Category have the category name, status, and also you can add, edit, or delete. Let's first delete this milk. Yes. Category, delete, 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 delete. Now there is no category the milk. Then let's go to the database. Let's category. Oh, there is no milk here. Now let's put another category. Let's milk. Then active, add, category added. So here the milk. Then its ID is 19. Let's take a look for the database. So here it is, milk. The ID is 19, category milk, then status is active. Then delete this milk to chocolate. Chocolate. Then edit. Then category updated. So it from milk, then to chocolate, then go to also the database. Then refresh the database. Then also chocolate, milk, it's become the chocolate now. So now let's go to the brand. Here's the brand. The brand of chocolate, let's say Hershey. Hershey active, then add here the Hershey, and then let's go to the database, brand name. So here the Hershey. Now let's go to the product. Product. Uh, let's say product dark chocolate. Chocolate. Then description with peanut. With peanut. Then the category is chocolate. The brand is Hershey. Let's say 50. Then the retail price is 60. Then let's say quantity is 100. The barcode is 222. Active. Then add. Product added. Here now. In the JTable, you see the product added. Let's go to the database of product. Then here, dark chocolate. The ID is 13, dark chocolate. Description with peanut, category ID. Then brand ID 7, cost price 50, retail price 60, quantity 100, barcode 222, then status is active. Now let's delete. Do you want to delete the record? Yes. Okay, then the chocolate delete. Now let's go to the POS or point of sale. You can't not directly to the POS because you have to register or log in. Let's put my name, Tracy. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then log in. Username and password does not match. Okay. Um, let's go for. Let's try. No. B 1, 2, 3, 4. Log in. So you cannot directly to this point of sale. So, um, my username, I enter my username which is D, and my name here is displayed. Displayed under the point of sales. Let's go for the product code, which is the barcode we input in the product 222. Let's open. Let's go back to the product and edit the barcode. I deleted. Let's another. Let's say dark chocolate. Then with peanut. Then chocolate, brand Hershey, 50, 60, 100, 555. Active. Add. Product added. Now let's go to the POS. You direct to the login. Then let's take. Let's where's oh no, it's not mine. Here is the product. Yeah. Now let's go back to the system. 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. Then here. 555. Then here. Result. 555 dark chocolate 60. Let's buy quantity of what? Then available quantity. 100. Yeah. It's available quantity is 100. Try another product. Let's say add. Then here's the Vivo. Here's the Vivo, have a quantity of C. Now 5,000 and the customer pay for 10,000. Then pay invoice. When you click the pay invoice, you can see the balance, which is the 5,000. Then recorded sale. Let's take a look in the database. If it is so here B. This is the cashier name, and today is June 1. 6B 5,000. Then pay 10,000. Then here is a balance of 5,000. Now let's go. Now take a look. Here is the receipt. The day-to-day and the name of the store, sales and vendor system, the product, then the subtotal, the amount, the cash, and change. So that's all for and the database of sales and the database of sales. So here it is. The quantity, then the total, and that's all. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like. Bye bye.